Hello students, the question is which of the following statement is not true of two genes that shows 50% recombination frequency? A. The gene shows independent assortment. B. If the genes are present on same chromosome, they undergo more than one crossover in every meiosis. C. The genes may be on different chromosome. D. The genes are tightly linked. So मुझे क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा गया है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू. हमें रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बताना है. द टू जीन्स दैट शो 50% रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी. 50% रिकॉम्बिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंसी का मतलब है 50% recombination frequency means when the two genes are present they show 50% recombination means 50% chances of crossover. तो 50% chances किसके होंगे? लिंकेज के होंगे. And linkage and crossing over are just opposite to each other and linkage is inversely proportional to distance between two genes. अगर linkage 50% है और crossing over 50% है means the two genes are quite present separated on the same chromosome. They are not too tightly packed. अगर tightly packed होती तो 100% linkage होता और far apart भी नहीं है because linkage 50% हो रहा है. Means the two genes are present on same chromosome and quite far apart. So A, the gene shows independent assortment. Yes, it 50% recombination है तो वो independent assortment show करेगा. B, if the genes are present on the same chromosome. Yes, वो same chromosome पे है तभी तो वो linkage show कर रहे हैं 50%. They undergo more than one crossover in every meiosis. Yes, the genes may be on different chromosome. The genes can be on different chromosome हो सकते हैं. The genes are tightly packed. No, this statement cannot be. अगर tightly packed होते तो 100% linkage होता. The chances of linkage are more than the recombination. So means they are not tightly packed and the correct answer here is option D. Thank you.